Hello, today I'm going to show you how to solve quadratic equations. Paano ba i-solve yung quadratic equations? It is given, meron tayong given na x squared minus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. Meron pa tayong solving given na x squared plus 4x minus 12 is equals to 0. How are we going to find the value of x? If this is the given, and we know na factorable naman yung expression natin, yung quadratic expression, so, gagawin natin is that ipapactor muna natin itong given equation. Now, ang una natin gagawin is that alam natin na pwede natin i-factor ito. Meron tayong dalawang parentheses. Pagsabayin na natin, ito rin meron dalawang parentheses. So, step by step, kailangan makuha natin muna kung ano yung factor ng given equations natin na to. Ano yung una kong ipafactor? Ang una kong ipafactor is yung x squared. Ito muna yung una kong ipafactor, yung x squared. We're going to factor this. At saka ito rin, since pareho lang naman na factor yung x squared, that is equals to x multiplied by x. So, ibig sabihin, dito sa parenthesis, meron na siyang tig x dito, magkabila. Ganon din dito. There is x and x. Now, ang susunod natin consider pagkatapos itong x squared ay yung third term naman, which is yung constant, positive 12. Pagka positive itong nakuha natin dito, it's either parehong positive yung magiging natin dito, magiging sign, or parehong negative. In this case, dahil negative itong nasa second term, parehong negative yung makukuha nating sign dito. So, you have negative, negative. Dito naman, sa example natin na to, dahil negative naman itong nasa constant natin na to, ang mangyayari dyan is magkaiba tong sign na to. Pagka positive yung isa is negative. Kasi, imagine kung negative times negative, you have positive. Positive times negative, you have negative. Now, ang susunod natin is that ipa-factor na natin yung constant. Pagkatapos i-factor yung x squared, ito namang constant yung ipa-factor natin. Ano ba yung mga factor ng 12 and 12? So, hanapin muna natin yung mga factor ng 12. Yung factor niyan, ang unang-una, sabihin natin na 1 times 12. Another one is 2 times 6. Another one is 3 times 4. So, here's the factor of 12. Now, paano natin makukuha yung factor nitong 12 na to dito sa first example natin na to? Since sabi nga natin they are both negative, ang ibig sabihin when this is positive, we are going to add the factor. So, that is equals to, pag in-add natin 1 plus 12 is equals to 13. This one is 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. This one is 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Ayan. Check natin kung ano yung kapareho doon sa gitna na to ng middle term, kung alin yung gagamitin natin. Since ito ay 7, ito yung factor na gagamitin natin dito sa first example natin na to. Pwede naman magkabaliktad yan kasi nga pareho namang negative. So, pwede na sabihin natin this one is 3 and this one is 4. Ngayong alam na natin yung factor nitong first given example natin na to, quadratic equation, ngayon kukunin naman natin yung factor ng pangalawang given. Ang pangalawang given, kung mapapansin nyo, we have a negative sign here. Pag negative yung nakalagay dito sa constant, magma-minus tayo. Kasi nga magkaiba yung sign na makukuha natin dito sa factor. So, pag nag-minus tayo, imbes na 1 times 12 will be 12 minus 1 is equals to 11. And 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. And 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Kung ano yung makita natin nasa middle term, ito yung gagamitin natin. So yung factor niya is 6 and 2. Ilalagay natin yung mas malaking value nang nandoon sa positive at yung maliit doon sa 2 kasi nga ang naging output natin, yung naging sagot natin is positive 4. Now meron na tayong factor ng dalawang given equations. Now kukunin natin yung value ng x ng dalawang given. Para ma-solve natin yung value ng x dito sa dalawang given natin, hindi ba sineset natin yung isang bawat factor equals to 0? Bakit ba natin sineset ang bawat factor is equals to 0? So ganito lang to. If we are going to divide this by x minus 4, pati yung kabila, side ng equation, we have x minus 4. So makakancel lang naman tong may x minus 4 saka x minus 4. Ang matitira is x minus 3 is equals to 0 minus x minus 4 is equals to 0. So, x is equals to transpose negative 3 to the other side of the equation. Ang magiging sagot natin is x is equals to 3. So, ibig sabihin ito, pwede na natin sabihin that x minus 4 is equals to 0. X will be equals to positive 4. Kasi tinranspose natin yung negative 4, magiging positive 4 sa kabilang side ng equation. Now, ito naman, iset na lang natin equals to 0 yung dalawang factor. So, x plus 6 is equals to 0 and x minus 2 is equals to 0. So, x is equals to transpose yung positive 6, magiging negative 6. X is equals to negative 6. Dito naman, x is equals to transpose negative 2 sa kabila and then magiging positive 2. So, x is equals to 2. Now, we have the factor of two given quadratic equation.